ngayong hapon, Pilipinas, and we are heading to
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai. Actually guys, pag Muay Thai may kay Kuan. It's part of our fitness challenge sa mong company. And yeah, it's gonna be my first time. It's gonna be our first
Yes.
time. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Yeah. So we're currently approaching to the gym, so it's gonna be our first time. And yeah, here it is. Here it is. Hi. Am I doing the right thing? Is this the right thing? So guys, just made my hands grab, and yeah, and I got a gloves from here, and we're currently in Muay Thai Cebu in IT Park, and we're gonna be doing some Muay Thai exercises, so it's gonna be exciting and intense. So this is my first time, and yeah, please hit like and subscribe if you like this video, okay? You know, my kick is not that good, just like before. Tig-karate daw ko sa una, pero karon bati na kay kong sinipahan. So, balik Alindog program. Sige ba tayo mga bes? Na, alright. 8, 4, 5, 6. Ayun, bigyan natin mo. Kapuya. Kapuya. We're in a water break, but we haven't wala dala og tubig. Sige na lang. Ato sa nataan. Sige, go. Tumbag daw, friend.
Hindi ko siya masumbang. Iyang ko na tong X.
Ah, yeah, the egg.
Buyo pa.
Buhay pa.
Buyo pa.
Buhay pa. So, malamig plank. Kapoy. Hindi yan. Kanakataan. So, humanami sa mo ang Muay Thai o kung manapod may sa mo ang post-workout nga planking, and my hands are shaky and kapoy na, and I really want a under ice. Narating beats man guys. Saan ito kaon na ni? Sa Paradise takaon. Kay Brato ra. Sarado na Paradise. Open pa man ron. Hukma. Boros? Utangan ko be, ko'y kwarta. So, office. Back to auto. Pants.
Doon na, lagi challenge na. Dali guys mo.
Tara guys, mga ano guys. So yeah,
It's me again.
it's me again. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? After our Muay Thai, we are heading to Sugbu Mercado to replenish our.
Mercado?
Yep, Sugbu Mercado. Sa Sugbu Mercado kay Juan, gutom tayo niya, maglitsyon belly ko. Nasad. Oh yeah, we are here at Sugbu Mercado. And mga tao itong nasing guys. Bitaw kay 100 na lang akong kwarta. So ang nasing kay tag 75 naman plus 10 sa puso nga tulo ka buhok. So sulit na kayo ang 85 guys. So count na. Over there.
In the backseat of a car, she never let me get that far tonight. Only one night, baby.
So yeah, that's it guys. That's it. Ano kaya sudan? Parehas may sudan. Bitaw, parehas may sudan. So, count na, count! So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below.
Like and
And
subscribe.
yeah, hit that notification bell para notif squad. Alright, see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye! So apparently the vlog doesn't end there. We're here at McDo. Coke. Kay malibre siya. Oh, Coke float. Malibre siya. Thank you very much, Mama. Alright. Thank you, Mama Rhea, for this Coke float. Yay! Gusto na eh. Kasi nakas akong vlog.
Vlog no?
Adik, muli akong buwan. Katagay sa ulo. Dinis ba Ha! So muna ni siya guys, this is the real thing. You know the drill. Bye bye, see you in the next vlog.
Hello, let's go.